We left Texas, was in Arizona for 6 or 7 months. Didn't get a drop of rain. And so now that we're here, we're seeing rain again. It's real in the desert.
Well, not only are we finally experiencing rain, it's all day.
Unheard of. Fun fact, we get about 8 inches of rain a year in Phoenix. So we probably got 8 inches in today. No, right now we're collecting about 22 gallons an hour. At minimum.
And that's with the rain barely coming down. Well, since we're stuck inside, it's the perfect time to work on our new bed.
Finally, I got to put the blow-up bed away because my Tuft Needle bed came in today. It's the mint version. And I'm so excited to sleep on a real bed. So me being impatient, I'm going to set up the bed first, and then a little bit later I'll do the frame and the storage with the lift mechanism and all of that good stuff.
Making banana bread.
It looks nice out, but it's 39 degrees right now, and the wind is really, really strong.
Even with all of this wind and cold weather, the temperature in the oven got as warm as 250 degrees. That was warm enough to cook our banana bread in less than 3 hours.
Burned myself, but
Next on the agenda, we're making a Nook, an adjustable one that folds up and down. We used a slab of wood left over from another project.
I'm very excited.
Yeah, I like it.
The next day was even colder, 27 degrees. We got ice everywhere. Even the plants looked frozen.
What was that? What was that? Are you cold? Frozen. It's frozen.
Inside the container, not as cold. We leave the windows open during the day to let the sun in to do its work, and the temperature holds pretty well, about a 20-degree difference from outside. But Echo still got new socks out of the deal, although I'm not sure that he really likes them. Now, these containers are 360 square feet. It sounds small. Although the living space feels perfect for us, storage was definitely one of my concerns. One solution? We're building the storage platform for under the bed. A bed, storage, and a Nook? No, we're not done, but I'd say we've earned a little break. Thanks for taking this off-grid journey with us. Like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when we release more videos. In the meantime, check out our website, greendesert.org, for all sorts of self-sufficiency tips, including a whole page on natural remedies. We also save all of our GMO-free seeds from our garden, and what we don't use or donate, we offer on our Etsy shop. So check that out too.